Hi all, I'm Sourabh Soni and this is Struts 3.5 Validation. In this session, we'll see how user input can be validated. For example, a valid email should not be blank and must contain @. Let's start. Strut 2.0 provide inbuilt validation framework. Using this, both client-side and server-side validation can be done. It allows us to add validation logic in a separate XML file. It provides several built-in validators, and also it allows us to design and add custom validators. Let's start hands-on. We'll use the same demo used in previous session. Let's execute the code. Now without entering any data, click submit. We got success page. But you should not allow blank or invalid field. Now let's add required field validation. For that, we need to create a XML file with name as action class name hyphen validation.xml. Doc type is the container for document type declaration in XML, followed by validators which define the container tag. All the validators need to be declared in validators tag. Give field tag with name as action variable on which you are writing validation. In this case, it is name. Then specify validator type as required. This will include a validation for the user to enter name. This is one of the default validator offered by framework. Then define message that need to be displayed to user if we try to submit without entering the name. Let's execute the code. Now without entering any data, click submit. You can see the validator message as we declared for name validation. So now until and unless I don't give a name, it's not going to submit. So now give a name, click submit, you got the success page. Now let's add validation for other fields. For the field name age, we have added a field validator of type int with a param min as 1 and param max as 100. This will validate that age should be integer and minimum age as 1 and maximum age as 100. If not, the invalid age message will be displayed. For gender, we have added required field validation. Now in case of email, we want user to allow email format, that is abc@pqr.xyz. For example, Sourabh@ucanal.com. For that also, Struts offer a inbuilt validator email. So for email field, we have added email field validator. Also for field email, we have added required field validator. Let's execute the code. Now without entering any data, click submit. You can see the validator messages for the entire field. Enter name and invalid age. Click submit. Now click valid age. Click submit. Select gender. Click submit. Enter invalid email. Click submit. You can see invalid email message. Now finally enter correct data. You got the success page.